Hi, welcome to My Cherokee Plate. These videos are an initiative of the Eastern Band of Cherokee Indians Tribal Food Distribution, our Public Health and Human Services Department, and the USDA's FDPNE program. Today we are going to make some different kinds of healthy ice cream. What makes this healthy is that it is dairy-free and we use coconut milk. And it also contains about 17 grams or 4.5 teaspoons less of sugar with each serving. So for this, you're going to need about 3 ripe bananas that have already been frozen. The riper, the better. The riper, the sweeter. We're going to do several different kinds. I'm going to do a mango pineapple, blackberry, blueberry, and strawberry. So today we are using a food processor, but you can feel free to use a smoothie maker or a blender, whatever you have available. So we're going to go ahead and add the coconut milk. We're going to add about 3 medium bananas, and these have already been frozen. Okay. And we're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. And your mango. And pineapple. Pineapple has a ton of vitamin C, so this is extra good when you're trying to ward off any kind of viruses. I went ahead and put the juice in it just to make it a little bit sweeter. When you have this, make sure that the lid is on properly. I'm going to go ahead and blend it. Blend to the desired consistency. Sometimes you don't mind the chunk and sometimes you do. Looks pretty good to me. So you can pour this into about like a little baking dish or any container that you have to save for later, or you can go ahead and serve it. Had this pineapple been frozen ahead of time, it would have a little thicker of a consistency. You'll see when we use the rest of the frozen ingredients. It's delicious. You're really going to like that one. I recommend the pineapple mango. This one is going to be banana strawberry. So first we're going to add our strawberries. Strawberries are a great source of vitamin C, and they're great this time of year. And then we're going to add 3 ripe and pre-frozen bananas. Bananas are full of potassium and really great to use when you've spent the day in the sun. And then a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then a 1/2 cup of coconut milk, and this is the canned coconut milk. Once you have all your ingredients added to your food processor or blender, go ahead and blend. So blend to your desired consistency and then save in a container for later. So now we're going to go with our antioxidant-rich ice cream option, which is wild blueberries. So you're going to add about 1 cup to 1/2 cup of wild blueberries. And then I'm going to add a few blackberries because they were on sale today, and they're full of antioxidants as well. And then you're going to add the rest of your bananas, or 3 ripe frozen bananas. In this case, I added 2 because I wanted it to be less sweet. And then a tablespoon of vanilla. And then a 1/2 cup of coconut milk. Once you have all your ingredients added to your food processor or blender, go ahead and blend. All right, I hope you enjoy your healthy ice cream as much as I do. We'll see you next time.